Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse McClanahan, and today we're going to be turning this cheap basic baseball into something a little bit nicer. Let's get started. Alright, so it's a pretty straightforward project. We're going to start by simply taking a razor blade and just cutting all this thread out. We're going to keep it so we know how long we need to be, plus a little extra. And then once we have our two panels, we're going to lay those out, trace them, re-punch all the holes, and then thread it back together. So I've been going on for about an hour or so. I got not very far. It doesn't seem like it's gonna fit, but I'm just gonna keep going. It's my first time trying this, so we'll see what happens. But it doesn't really seem like, you know, there's like a huge gap here. And I mean, the worst thing that could happen is maybe I'll just wet it and just I'll stretch it out that way if I have to. But yeah, this takes a very long time, but I'm just gonna keep on trucking along. Alright, so I'm about halfway done. I'm getting close to starting to stretch things back together, and I think it'll be fine. You definitely want to massage it as you go, and I think once it's all done, I might get it a little moist just to really massage everything into place so it feels nice and everything, because right now it's kind of like weird and like bubbly, but I think a lot of that will go away once I start getting everything near the finish. Alright, so there you have it. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. There's definitely a few things that I learned. One for sure is I'm gonna cut the panels out just the slightest bigger than I need them, because if you look very carefully, there is, can't really see it, but there is like the slightest gap in some of this. But I tried my best to tighten it all together after it was done. I went all the way through around it again and just really tightened everything up, trying to get it there. I even wet it to try to get it to stretch even a little bit, but I got it pretty close. I'm super, you know, like I said, I'm okay with how it turned out. Another thing is I wouldn't do the threading as thick as I did. I have like a fake sinew I used for this one, and I doubled it up. I probably shouldn't have. I have some nicer thread that I will double up, and I think that'll be perfect for the next one, so that's another thing I'll do. But other than that, couldn't ask for much more than that, you know what I mean? If you like seeing things like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you want to see more. I'm always over here making things, doing different sorts of art type projects, leather, painting, you name it. See you on the next one.